Michelle, I interrupted you when you were talking about the relationship between people and plants. So for which I apologize. So would you
It's
would
wonderful
you
to
fill
go
that
into
in?
different tangents. Yes, I'd be happy to. As I was saying, the people and plants have evolved side by side. So the bodies, our bodies understand the plants and what they can do for the body, and the plants understand how to be with humans and to work with humans in the human body. And there's kind of a bit of a story around that. If you could envision the cell, which is inside your body, it's a very small functional unit of all your tissues. And the cell has when it's trying to gain attention from the body and get nutrients, it's going to put up a flag on the outside of itself that waves and says, over here, this is what I need. It's like someone coming to the airport and you're meeting somebody and you haven't met or you haven't seen each other. And there's a sign held up, Mr. Smith. So Mr. Smith knows to come on over and interact with this person. Well, this cell's flag is called a receptor site. And this receptor site is out there at the edge of the cell when the cell needs something. And the beauty of natural foods, natural herbs, things the bodies recognize, is that as the chemistry from the herb is coming along in the bloodstream and it reads the sign from the cell, it actually, the cell has created a kind of a receptor site or lock mechanism that can be specifically unlocked by that bit of chemistry coming in. The chemistry interacts with that receptor site, and it has the exact shape, texture, sound, color, everything it needs to completely unlock that locking mechanism and enter the cell and do what it needs to do.
I've never heard it put so nicely. It's really good to hear a research biologist who can explain this in a way that I think all our viewers will understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.